Welcome to the Auckland Wooden Boat Show through my 4-year-old's eyes. We were actually in Auckland City to watch the World Money Champs finals, and then while hunting for some toilets, I came across the boat show. So I went back and grabbed my sons and I brought them to see what this is all about. Now, I know nothing about boats, but this was fun, and they also had a kids section. Wow, well, I look so cool.
The ocean boat.
We can make one. We get some together and we make a boat. You got here? Mommy help you. You get some. Make a boat? Pick it up.
Do you want to swim in
Mommy, make a boat with you. Look. We make like a forky boat. Need some more cookies. Oh look, there's some more cookies. Make your boat float. So we put it on here. Make a boat.
Do you want to sit? There's the water.
That's someone else's boat, but
A water. With it.
no, waiting. Come, look. Make a boat. You're gonna make it.
A water.
You're gonna make the boat, baby. You're gonna make the boat.
Like this.
Sharing? Are you sharing your fork?
No.
You have to share.
No.
You got one? You got your one? So mommy, it goes in here. You can try in here. Oh, Josh. So this one? Go blow. Oh no, he's gonna fall down. Oh man.
Spooky puffin.
Oh man. No good. No good. I'm trying to see. Oh man, he fell down. And this one fell down. Oh, no good. Ooh. A boat. It's like Moana's boat. Like a Moana boat. Hold on. It didn't float. Come. I'll say thank you. That was fun.
That's so fun.
Okay, look at that.
The ends.
So cool. The wooden
Side?
boat. Yeah.
Aside.
Yo, you want to get inside the wooden boat? You gotta have a look at that. They have toy boats. Maybe if they have a toy boat, we can take one home. Wow! Isn't that so cool? It's a lighthouse. It's a cool. Yes, it's a boat, but you can't play with it. You can't play with it. You can't play with it. You can have a look at it. Let's go find. Let's see if we can find a toy boat.
What? Boys boat? Toys boat?
No, she was so short.
Look at that boat. I think that one. You gotta put it together. So many cool boats. Look at those boats.
This was a big boat.
Oh, the
The
big boat.
inside?
Yes. This is the Whimsical Mistress boat.
Inside boat?
Oh, you can't get inside the boat, but you can have a look at it. This is the Kitty Moana boat. Look. Beautiful.
It was inside?
Yeah. No. You can have a look. You can have beautiful.
The up there.
You wanna have a look at the little one?
Little boat. See the boat. Oh,
Wow.
there he is.
It's so cute.
The boat.
It's called Tinkerbell.
Tinker boat.
Tinkerbell.
Tinker boat.
It's so cute. My son's like trying to. He's like
he thinks they're toys.
Of course they are. Why wouldn't they be?
They're adults.
You like the boats? So cool. So many cool boats.
Down the boat.
Very cool.
Cheese. Do you want cheese?
Yeah, say cheese to yourself. Hi. Say hi to Rawi, Rawi.
Hi, Rowie, Rowie, Rowie.
No. Oh, look, there's like the salmon one. There's Moana boat. Wow.
Do you want upper girls?
Yeah.
The upper girls? Do you want upper girl? Upper girl? Do you want upper girl? Up? Yeah, say upper girl. Do you want upper girl? Do you want upper girl?
Oh, it does kind of look like one though.
A donut.
It's to save people.
A donut.
Remember what it's called? Yeah, it does look like a donut. Here's another one.
Donut.
Save the people. Lots of donuts on the boat.
Cool boat.
Mataka.
Mom, this is my boat.
No, touching that. Just have a look at it, because
There you go. The
about this?
boat. Oh, wow.
The detail.
Donut. And then don't have a coffee. Again it.
There's a waka or Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.